What's up guys, this is Mysqlgyan and today we are going to unbox Portronics MyBuddy K9. It's a 360 rotatable metallic laptop stand. Previously I had Amcati stand as well as I have used Zebronics laptop stand which is NS2000, Zeb NS2000. Now I am going to upgrade to Portronics MyBuddy K9. Let's see what's inside the box. We have this toolkit as well. This is how it looks. We can rotate it here in any direction. As you can see, this is 360 degrees. So this is the final product. I have adjusted it a little bit. Now let's see again. So this is Portronics K9 laptop stand guys. This is it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.